Welcome to the Production Music Live community. The Everything Bundle is your source of problem solvers and time savers when it comes to producing professional electronic music. The PML Everything Bundle is divided in different sections. The PML Academy with courses and artist masterclasses, and the PML Sound Boutique, containing state-of-the-art sample packs, sound packs by artists, presets and MIDIs, and Ableton project files. Let us give you a little tour starting with the course section.
Okay. Felix, do you think this is a vocal track?
Yes.
Perfect. Let's go!
Right after purchasing the Everything Bundle, you will get an email with your personal login credentials to the Production Music Live Teachable platform. Starting with the foundations, you will get to know Ableton Live inside out. From there, you can choose what you want to learn next. For example, you can move on to more specific courses like writing chord progressions and melodies, or the arrangement course, which gives you deep insights on how a successful track needs to be structured and why. Having learned the music theory behind a professional production, you can jump right into the start to finish section, where you will produce full songs alongside your tutors, as if you're sitting side by side in the studio. In all start to finish courses, we will start with a blank Ableton project and go through each and every step of the production workflow: drums, chords and melodies, arrangement, mixing and mastering. There is also a great selection of dedicated mixing and mastering courses if you want to achieve a more professional sounding track. If you want to learn how to design your own sounds and synth patches to stand out from the crowd, there are full-length creative sound design courses for the most popular VST synths out there. And most importantly, we have our artist section, where you actually get to sit right next to professional releasing artists like Ben Böhmer or Jonas Saalbach, while they walk us through the production of one of their own tracks from start to finish, giving you massive amounts of tips and tricks. And basically, they're giving away all their best workflows and secrets. Let's move on and take a look at some of PML's sample packs. There's a massive collection of samples, over 12,000 single sounds and loops for almost every style of electronic music. The PML flagship series D Premium Volume 1 to 6 is your go-to collection when you start a new track. The most recent edition, D Premium Volume 6, brings you all the deep and club-ready kicks you need, but also delivers organically recorded head and percussion loops right into your DAW. To make it easier for you to find exactly what you're looking for, we have divided all sample packs into 3 categories. Let's have a listen. PML Originals, PML Community Packs, PML Artist Corporations. Inside these folders, you can browse by the genre you're looking for. All packs are of course structured in loops and one-shots, including very intuitive subfolders for perfect accessibility.
Like, this is fun.
PML preset packs cover Ableton stock instruments as well as the most popular and best sounding VST synths on the market, like Arturia Mini, Diva, Massive, or Serum. Every preset pack comes with its own set of MIDIs for instant results and faster tracking of your ideas. You can always match a MIDI clip with the preset it is supposed to go with, or get totally creative with them. Once you've found the sound you were looking for, you can tweak each part to perfectly match your production. This is fast, intuitive, and always sounds professional right away. So if you're the type of producer who's strong in writing drums and grooves, and you don't enjoy sound designing synths too much, then this is where you will save a lot of time and reach incredible results. Let's check out one of our favorite templates by Radicon artist Dahu with his song Decades. What exactly is a PML Ableton project file and what can you use it for? Every PML project file is a fully arranged track with all samples and sounds you hear in the song. This is not printed audio, but fully editable for the most part. Everything can be used, edited, changed, or copied into another project, and you can adjust all parameters to fit into any of your own tracks. Simply take out the parts you like and make them your own. You can reverse engineer the whole production process and learn new tricks inside a professionally produced, mixed, and mastered track. In these Ableton project folders, you will find the equivalent of around 10 complete albums. We have over 90 files organized into different categories and musical genres, so you can find what you're looking for really fast. Everything Bundle is your source of problem solvers and time savers when it comes to producing professional electronic music. Get inspired and produce better sounding tracks now at productionmusiclive.com.